Hi, I'm Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Holiday salad or a side for barbecue? This chilled rice dish is tasty, tangy, and loaded with flavor. Here's what you'll need. 1 box of chicken rice-a-roni, marinated artichoke hearts, green olives, green onions, and bell pepper. In a skillet, cook the rice-a-roni according to the package instructions, starting with the butter, then adding the rice and cooking until the noodles are golden brown. Then add hot water, the spice pack, and cover and simmer. While that's cooking, slice 2 green onions, chop half a bell pepper, slice some olives, and pour the artichokes through a strainer to drain, saving the marinade. When the rice is cooked, pour it into a bowl and let it cool a bit. Then add the green onion, bell pepper, the olives, and the artichokes. Give it a gentle stir, then make the dressing. To the saved artichoke marinade, add mayonnaise and a dash of curry. Mix it up, pour it over the salad, gently stir, and serve it up. A chilled out way to serve rice-a-roni. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.